All right, let's get this match started. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we are off. Looks like we have a blue robot trying to make their way to the red side of the field. 2 red robots already out of their starting positions with 1 piece of coral placed. Looks like another attempted to be placed by 3792. We have a little bit of motion on the blue side of the field. It looks like no piece of coral scores as time expires in our autonomous mode. With a score of 15-9 favoring the Red Alliance, we start teleoperated mode. Drivers have full control of their robots and are taking advantage of that as we have the robo-jockeys placing a piece of coral onto L3, it looks like, for their alliance. Meanwhile, over on the blue side of the field, we have 1 robot at their human player station, 2 robots around their reef with 5889 attempting to put a piece of coral high onto L4. CIA Robotics, our rookie team over on the Blue Alliance, grabs a piece of coral from their human player station, their coral station, and we'll see where they decide to score it next. Over on the far red side of the field, we have a couple pieces of algae that have been processed, and the blue human player converts those into points for the Blue Alliance. 6 points scored for each processed algae on the Red Alliance, but 4 points back for the Blue Alliance for each one the human player converts. With about 1:20 left, we have a score of 54-27 favoring our Red Alliance as time winds down. We have some feverish scoring on L1 happening from 3792 as they work as fast as they can to cover up that L1 zone, scoring 1 point at a time for each piece of coral they place there. Meanwhile, back over on the blue side of the field, we have 5889 working again to put another piece of coral onto that L4 zone for their alliance. About 50 seconds left in this. We have a score of 67-27, still favoring our Red Alliance. Both teams have scored 4 pieces of algae. Looks like we have a cooperation ready alliance on red, but no currently processed algae for the Blue Alliance, reducing the threshold to get an additional ranking point from 4 levels with 5 pieces of coral on them down to 3. 30 seconds left. We're almost to the end game phase of this match, and we have the Robo Jockeys dislodging some algae from their reef and making their way to park in their large zone. 3 robots currently parked for red. It looks like Robo Jockeys weren't quite happy with where they are. They circle around and make their way back on. CIA over on their side of the field parked. Looks like we have a deep hang being attempted from one of these Red Alliance robots. We'll see if they achieve that as time winds down. Meanwhile, for Blue, 5889 still working to place that piece of coral onto L4, but they will not. It's our Red Alliance. Red Alliance, the victors of this match with a score of 86-35. Congratulations to our Red Alliance team. They've achieved 4 ranking points in this one, 3 for their match victory, and 1 for all 3 robots leaving their starting area in the